Howdy, my name is Jesus Ramos, and this is our MXET300 project proposal featuring Chunkbot Jeff. Our team members consist of Adrian Montero, David Lister, Juan Guillermo, and myself. First, we'll start off with our project mission. The main objective of this project is to be able to implement a real-life application of a waste collector autonomous robot. The way that this would work would be by the robot first scanning for one of us in the room, aka the operator, and once found, the operator will give the robot a hand gesture which it will interpret as a command. Using objects such as colored balls and colored bins, the hand gesture command will tell the robot to place a certain color ball into its corresponding bin.
Howdy, my name is Vaughn and I will be going over the goals for a robot. The main goal for a robot is to at least be capable of autonomously identifying a ball, moving towards the ball, collecting the ball with a mechanic arm, and to locate and deposit the ball to a bin. Once the main goal is completed, we will be working on adding extra features such as identifying colored balls in bins, autonomously locating an operator, which is one of the team members, to wait for a hand signal, which will then give the robot specific instructions based on the hand signal we give, and to autonomously avoid obstacles.
Howdy, my name is Adrian and I'll be talking about the work distribution. Here we can see the four main components that each team member will be handling. I, myself, will be focusing on the mechanical arm design and code. David will be working on the mounts and navigation code. Jesus will be focusing on a computer vision, and Vaughn will be working on code for dynamic object tracking. Keep in mind that every teammate will be contributing to each topic in some way, but the names shown here on the slides are the people who will be mainly in charge of that part.
Howdy guys, this is David Lister. I'll be covering our project outcomes and timeline. For week 1 of our timeline, we will be designing the mechanical arm and mounts for the camera, along with some additional hardware. Week 2.5, we'll be coding the autonomous driving and navigation system. Week 3, we'll be establishing the object location code to find the targeted colored balls. Week 3.5, we will establish a drop-off location that the robot will return home to. Week 4, we'll have computer vision code established to differentiate between the colors and potentially different symbols. Week 4.5, we will have simple debugging, testing, and submission of the project. For our project outcomes, the robot will navigate the room by itself using the LiDAR sensor to avoid any obstacles, and using computer vision be able to identify targets and coordinate how to capture them. Once it has captured the target, the robot will then return home using an algorithm to determine its local position relative to the global position of its home, then deposit its target into the proper bin based on its color or theoretical material. Once that is completed, it'll return out to the field to capture another piece of material and simply continue scanning the room.
This concludes our project proposal. Thanks and gigum.